timer and everything.
Okay, good. You're good.
Yep. Am I taking off first or you are? With the wind? Hold on.
Are you nervous?
Oh, there's a car coming.
There is.
Yeah. But it looks like it's going to do a whip around. Yeah, okay, it's whipping around.
I mean, we can go off together. I think I'll beat you because this is more responsive.
Okay.
Right? Ready?
We have a timer. 3, 2, 1, timer. Yeah.
Woo! Yeah, baby.
That was a no elevator takeoff.
Oh, really?
Yeah. All right, here I'm gonna try high speed past the wind. Ready? Not gonna lie, that kind of scared me. I looked up right when that was coming across, dude. That was awesome. Yeah, I might have got like I didn't get the whole aspect, but I did look over because I kind of heard it out of my ear. Yeah. Oh, I know I could. Here comes our high-speed pass. Ready to hear it? We're at 2 minutes right now. That was good. I'm glad you said go look, Randy, because I looked. Yeah, I looked. It just when you hear the beep, it should be 2 if it hasn't already. Yeah, mine's at 150. Yeah, and counting down. Yeah. Doing the high alpha, sorta. Mine's a really slow pass. Yeah, I'm trying. It's still tough. It's 1 minute left. Well, I gotta get my position in here. I'm gonna come in for approach, I guess. Well, actually, you're closer than me, so go ahead. Yeah, I'm far out. Nope, we're good. All right. Did you see it hop off the ground?